Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to Bang Bang channel. Today we are uncapping with Uzalo. Yes, Uzalo my Zalo. We can see here Prince Shem. Hi Shem, he is feeling guilty Nkosi yami. He is feeling so guilty ukubana he was out there busy aphansi phezulu noNomarashiya darling, instead of being there for umntanakhe. So now he has finally find the money, but now also the way he got money because of sleeping with uNomarashiya, he was doing that to buy umntanakhe itaxi uSipho. So now he feels guilty Nkosi yami. He is feeling terribly, and at the same time also he can't even tell uGladys baby Nkosi yami ukubana hayi mna I went there and did ukubana 1 2 3 ukubana nifumane le mali. He can't even tell uGladys ukubana he's got money, imali yokubana athengele uSipho itaxi, and so that he can fulfill the promise that he had made to Sipho, because the taxi association, they've bought uSipho itaxi already. So now he's like so umuntu ufukuze kabuhlungu kangaka, isono esingaka esiphindwe ngokuphindiwe, for me not to be able to buy la taxi benifuna ukuyithenga. He's feeling so guilty Nkosi yami. He is not happy with himself. Hayi isazela Nkosi yami, siyamudla isazela siyamdla deep. And here Shem uGladys is showing supportiveness of umuntu wakhe Nkosi yami, uzemxelela ukubana uyamthanda. She doesn't want anything nje, like she's very supportive, giving all the support that he needs at this time, as he's feeling so terribly. He's feeling so bad ukubana now he's overthinking ukubana what he did. Hey guys, no, some secrets are better kept a secret, because what's gonna happen now if he tells uGladys the truth ukubana imali uyifumane phi? What's gonna happen Nkosi yami? What is gonna happen? Some secrets are better taken to graves with us, honestly, especially secrets like these. Ukubana there was infidelity involved, there was money, you were paid money to do such ihlazo elingaka, mawuqeda lapho ukhokhelwe. Hey, waze wankroyiza Nkosi yami uPrince wabantu, uPrince kaGledy Nkosi yami. You can see nje masifika kwanjinji laphana, we can see uNkazimulo man. uNkazimulo wants to start to dress like a businessman. He is. We can see here it's kwaMashu FM la sibona hayi Shem akase broke umzamo ubroke njengale ndlela lo yokubana uze ukoloda isizumbulu Nkosi yami sika 5 hour wonke, ukoloda isizumbulu sika 5 hour kuSera. uSera sekayamkhumbuza manje ukuthi hayi uzokoloda njani u5000 wena usangikoloda u1000. So waze wakhohlwa umzamo ukubana ubekoloda i-whole 1000 rand. u1000 rand wonke wawukhohlwa nje, 1000 rand wabantu. ukoloda imali i-1,000 asekade wakhohlwa ngayo. Ngoku kwamele ukuthi aqale akhokhe le 1,000. Kwamele aqale akhokhe lo 1,000 kwamele aqale akhokhe lo 1,000 if uma kuyukuthi bazomupha nalo 5,000 asekawufuna ukukoloda manje. Bayamkhumbuza-ke ukuthi hayi bhuti, le mali wawuyikolodile ungakayikhokhi kuzodubula isinqa ke ngoku. Like bullets are going to fly because you can't owe me money and then you forget about it, which means nale 5,000 le you're going to forget about it. Ukuthi hawu nyani hayi uMzamo, he's in such deep hot waters because he ended up stealing i-laptop kaFlavi. A whole laptop kaFlavia, i-laptop kaboss wakhe. Hey, Mzamo is playing with fire now. He is playing with fire, Shem, cause wow. He is playing with fire. Utshontshe emsebenzini. You are literally biting the hand that is feeding you. Njani kaloku uzoqala ukutshontsha emsebenzini? You are stealing from the company that pays you, that feeds you. We don't do that, honestly. Stealing at work, guys, and it'll just paint you black. It'll just paint you. I know. Imagine you coming to work, everyone knowing ukubana, hey, lisela ke lo. Ulisela nyani. You walk in there and everyone is like, hey, hold on to your wallet. Let me know, guys. Let me know, what do you guys think? Bana, how does it feel knowing ukubana you work with someone onesandla? Umsebenza nomuntu onesandla, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Hayi uNkazimulo yena, awa, he is the boss that he think he is. Useze la sekafuna nama designer ukubana you must start wearing fitted suit, tailor-made suits. Oh. Hey, cause uNomaswazi uyothini afumana yonke le nto le? Uyothini Nkosi yami uNomaswazi njengoba abilile already? Thank you for watching.